So in example 5, we need to graph a piecewise defined function. We have f of x, absolute value x plus 2, if x is less than 0, absolute value of x minus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2, and root x minus 2 plus 2 if x greater than 2. So first I'm gonna write each function we need to graph using the interval notation. So here, first one, y is equal to absolute value of x plus 2, the on interval. What is the interval here? The interval here is negative infinity and 0. But what about 0? Is it parenthesis or bracket? The 0 is included or is it's not included? Here it's a parenthesis. Why? Because it's not included, because I have no equal sign here. So here, this is the first one. The second one, y is equal to absolute value of x minus 2. The interval here. The interval here is what? Here I have 2 equal to. So here both will be bracket. What are the two numbers? It's 0 and 2. From 0 to 2, and both are included. What about the third one? Third one is y is equal to root x minus 2 plus 2. What is the interval here? The interval here is 2 and infinity, but 2 is included or not. I have no equal sign here, so I have both are parentheses, so 2 and infinity. So I wrote each interval notation for each equation. Then now I will go to the graph and I'll start to draw circles or dots. Which 2 points I will draw circles here? I have here 0, here 0 for this one, 0 and 2. 0 and 2, is it included or not? It's not included. That's why I will draw a circle. So I will go to 0 and 2. I will draw a circle. Type here I have 2 here, 2, and when I substitute here it will give me also 2. يبقى 2 and 2, I will draw a circle also for 2 and 2, not dot or not shaded, because it's not included. طيب, what about here 0? When I substitute 0 here, I have 0 and negative 2, so I have 0 and negative 2. Is it dot or a circle? It has a bracket or parenthesis. It has a bracket, so here it's dot. Then I have here 2, type 2, and when I substitute in this equation with 2, يبقى 2 and 2 minus 2 يبقى 2 and 0, it's dot also. 2 and 0, it's included with us. So from these 3, when I substitute here to get y or f of x, I get these 4 points. So I have now I have to draw the graph for each one here. First, when I start with this, it's absolute value. So as we know, absolute value has a V shape, but here the interval stop here. So the V shape here for x, the parent function for this one is absolute value of x, and I add here 2. It means I move 2, or I shift 2 units to the left. Yes, because we said here x plus 2, it means here this 2 is negative because the original one is x minus h. Okay, so here 2 is 2 units to the left. I will move 2 units to the left, so I will store this at the vertex of the V shape, and it will be here to this point, and this point is not included, and the other direction it's infinity. So this is the first one, so I'm done. The second one, absolute value of x minus 2. Absolute value of x minus 2, it means that this minus 2 is the K here, I take it with its sign. So -2, it means I shifted 2 units down. So I will start from the origin, then I will move or shift 2 steps down. This is the vertex. But the interval here from 0 and 2 only. So the V shape, what looks from V shape, this only part. This is the interval, because the other side of the shape, it's not in our interval in this question. So I'm done with the second one. The third one is root x minus 2 plus 2. Here we have two transformations. Here x, طبعا the parent function here is root, square root x. Square root, as we know, we have the curved. So x minus 2 under the square root means I moved from the origin 2 units to the right. Why? Because here I have h is 2, فهير I moved positive 2 لأن the original is x minus h. يبقى here h is positive, يبقى I moved 2 units to the right. يبقى here I moved 2 units to the right. طيب do I have to start؟ لا, stop. We have k كمان هنا. يبقى k here is positive. يبقى I have to go up 2 steps to start from here. This is the root x minus 2 plus 2. So I have here the piecewise defined function with 3. I'm done here from the third one.